ya me no kasa ene na ban ene ne party ebre bia nkrofo we ti akonwa mu bia atrocity ne tragedy ensem ahodo ene to Ghana ban yawre ho ye ya se da bia ndisi aban yokuo ebeyi mampanyini edena maye man bia no ensensem akese amu eduru ene esi ewo Ghana man mu na ene nti ene matena se de esi ye ewo ba bia na asojafo ekwa akofa nkwada akotreni omo abeye asojafo no me de mu kyerɛkyerɛ mu ne de course nyina ebe mawo be kyerɛkyerɛ mu yie de course o be kyerɛ wo how when you give a country to an incompetent person de yɛden esunsu sanso sɛ wo de ɔman ɛhye nipa ɔmo nimdeɛ ɛwɔ de ɛwɔ sɛ ɔmo nyomu a ɛne na de nsunsuanso ɛte sɛ biem yɛden ɛba ɔman mu na ɛbɛyɛ ɔnwa ɛbɛyɛ wo ya sɛ asogyafoɔ paa tumi tena sɛ ɔmo kɔyɛ recruitment na ɔmo ntumi nwene hu sɛ recruitment yɛ no you as yen can say security personnel and as a security servicer sabio ya mamu akande e wo Ghana man mu nyina se mo mfa mo man no ho ban no muntumi enye den predict some kind of these situations but when bachelor de nti anema we nyina sie na ma kyerɛw kwanya NDC for emu nipa na omodwene se Ghana de ya to aba ma omu de oman ne yomo de ombetumi ade omo pebia because badna omo betumi e de propaganda any press release any sabio other type of things like testimonies ahodo ebetumi e de convince Ghana for say dey see no enye omo fault but omo koba omo di boto omo di nkyene boto aduasa kura na we will still let them feel say they are responsible for what happened today. I am so ama Ghana for enkwada ahwere won sabio won kwa se kwa money we so na nka sabio me kose me kwa kutwa ma de na me kona ma de no kura no mantimi antwa anye bia me support I come enkam na so Mahama breso de obeye bia no ehun nsunsanso no wan hwe ya na eyewuo nsem we na maboa no ane se enen so amene ukasai enipa mako ensia ena omuwu under John Mahama again another day amene ukasai Ghana for we very young men ensia ahwere won kwa adentia omo kope ahobambo adwuma aye na obi bekese eba ne sen ena me kwa kopo adwuma na mitumi wu eba ne se wokosisa enkrofo mo ye incompetent se womra no mbedi wo man so a enam so omunim de ewo kwan a yefa so ye manage enipa ntino they would rather turn your country into the jungle. That is what we are seeing today. Because as I'm not doing who I want to ask you, you cannot understand. Say akurabia dasro no sin ni di soja juma ho. Akurabi amane muso no sin ni di soja juma ho or pe soja juma ye or pe police juma ye or pe yen kan say air force juma ye or pe yen kan say customs juma ye na okono akotrai say obetumi anya baabi agina e wo sa juma amabobo din mu a na at the end of the day no resource or the abafie ni say okoye no sabio wakoka babi eya ade a eya reho yie pa eya ade a etwa nsomu ena ya ade a enni kwan senka esie te mafa kwanya we so e de condolence kese pa ama wofo a ene abusua sabio wona ahwere won dofo wona busuamfo won wo fase nom ene wona nanom enam lack of management mismanagement mentality e won this for any propaganda omope so omfa nkyere wiase na abusua die ya ne se chese nkrofo ya yo mo adwene se ade bi omobeye no eye political de ombeye bia no eye political na media nke ya ko emese bia Mahama mom na ohia moja na odi atena konwa no so because it is unaccepted and it is unexplainable say papa we nkwa betena konwa iso Ghana fo wuti se nkokọ ewo basabasa omo wuso enye baako single since Mahama bedi Ghana konwa tragedy atorenchem a edi nipa dodo ekowo at the same time oh then ekoso face oh since Mahama bedi Ghana konwa yi tragedy e ka tragedy atorenchem ahodo ena ekoso e wo ye man mu na bere bia na atorenchem ni sia enipa dodo ena hwede won kwa etinke yakwa mi adentia papa we nkwa de ne breso de enipa dasani wu na sebi omuwu nso a omuwu in numbers together Aden papa ne di bibi ye ni ndro bi oba bi ana ena ye ni mana because I cannot think far. Yewura Mahama bedi akonya within shorter possible time. Ena sabu enkura dunsia eko wuye from Accra to Kumasi Road in a bus. Abra na omo akwa asori a omo san ayeden akọ wonkrom wa maame no nchen eho NDC for mpenfo amfa nye hwe impono ye nya panyini bi ma na mfira ban mu amegina bonten ankasa amfa ho ye wo ho a anche bia ena helicopter bi nso ana defense minister team environment minister team asoja form yensa ene NDC from painful miensa eka ho nipa nwotwe omutu painful akra so omukọ koforidua setakura ade nso on their way going ena ho no nso omukọ wuye ene so be ye tragedy kakra pa na mamemfa nkọ akire kakra 9th May so obeka ya DNC wo Accra Sports Stadium. Just nkrofo we no, you know they are addicted with blood. Baby on baba mobia. Accra filling station be in I think in 2015 or 2014. Ehonso sa Mahama time. Just a papa we do betra konwa no so anipa omuwu. Nyese omuwu 11 ya de abon no wu ni fio. Nipa ka omo bom ewu has always been a trademark when the NDC is in power. Eye swine. Eye one penisa. Eye tumi bi ena ene omo di ni we ewo sumase ana. Ana di entia sa ne ma we nyina esie. Ene maba se ye bedi nkomo kakra afa sa ne ma we nyina ho. Na menu nyina toto adwene to understand the entire Mahama ni NDC yakon amammo bia mu no ewuo atorenchema kese ekoso wo yeman mu ayasema me bisa wo wonso no timi kire wadwen e wo comment section ho eye no ma sa eneti ana sa na wo se nko ana sa na wo se ma ana se bibibi e wo kire. Now before we start with it, I want you to watch this video before we move on. We say a soldier for most more for nipa. Na would the video answer me with them.
Some of their messages, they were told that they should be here on Friday. They are here today. Today is Wednesday.
And to me, for here, you see the situation that went on there. You see the chaotic situation there. You see the situation that happened there. In the particular of Mahama, and this is the
Don't move for it. Let's go. Let's go. Go down.
Okay, and here who the na so na tie video we na yamra studio.
And the military, they have foresight. They can see you can't say envisage danger and prepare for it. So what happened in this case? 21,000 people, and you leave how many, 5 or 10 people to man them? Is that okay? And you know, please, more. I mean, they should stop the press release now, and we are now going to investigate. You know who to the person who interdicting and answer for federal, and who would satisfy us better. 6 people have died for Christ's sake. Many others are in critical condition. It cannot just be business as usual. It cannot be. You cannot say a helicopter crash by say green wash or say yellow wash or say red wash, whichever it is.
Technical reasons why the crash happened.
Some say they're emotional. It's the emotional reasons. They kasa.
The main reasons.
Main reasons the ben. What's about it here?
Yes. Okay, enti nipa doma sabi no mugu stadium ho na ohu asojafo a ogu won chen so wo manage won na me kan asem bi kire wahu sa party we no ho enam propaganda ntino ade bi ombaye bia no ekobone because adwene na wo de ya ade na munye pefe na bibibi de akire a you do it on hurry and you do things in normal times with the right thinking momentum no and kasade no wonye. The question that I'm asking you ne say asema America ne say adentie wo say yemfre nipa emfri pusiga kusase mampurusi tamale boko Accra Kumase Takoradi Tema Sunyane Berekum Sampa Sehwimaimu se won nyina amra Accra Sports Stadium se omomra na yemmeye soldier or military recruitment oyare abodam Ghana manye wo hoyi yewo police and military base ahodo bebre ewo manum military bases yewo Ghana mamu doso pa enti sabanya ye willing so obefa nipa juma in the military na enye propaganda skillmen say yensese nipa dodo ne yentwa video na yemfanko social media yemfanko kire say abanya fa nipa 30,000 abra enye nokore just to what deceive the people say nyane sa obibia ni ho anadwene dani tim eye adwuma obekra nipa may free the end of Ghana from the northern side, the end of Ghana from the eastern and the west to come and join crew at Accra. Ademoyare. Balance yewo Ghana bia. Yewo army commanders wo hwa. Omoye knowledgeable enough to do this recruitment. Balance yewo Ghana bia. Na enam se nkrofo we no pese. Ade bi omobeye bia no. Obuntwa mfa metu medium na yemfanye dede emfankyere Ghana mindset omoba omoye adwumanti no. They decided to do this abysmal job enam eno so nti ene. Abusua hodo esu wonde hye no. Why? That be a Mahama, the mismanagement is incompetence na Mahama produce a present to the people. Now, do you know what is very sad? Defense Ministry, Ghana, a very big role in the security aspect of the whole country. Defense minister. And you may a good defense ministry. So, and yet you make it well. Not John Dariga Dramani Mahama, what can I say? August 5th. And at the defense minister or Manebuama, every day during the plane crash. John Dariga Dramani Mahama up to now. Onyenyi and Nipa Fufra. Obe replace that defense minister since August. Defense ministry nyagro bio. Nyagro. It is intensive, very complicated ministry and very dedicated ministry. But yewura maha se ono de. Se wanya se niwia etuni gold. Sami Jamfi manage gold mano. Omo urechi omo ho. Na abusuanu nye sika ne de. Oman na yede ahye ne nsa ne mfa ne ho. And look at I cannot use the word stupidity. Look at what Mahama has done. Mahama, the defense ministry, na kwa koshe nipa ote finance ministry. The minister of finance. Also, another dedicated and very complicated position. And I was one position, two key position. Or there are two nipa ba akufoso. And I ato manage. And I ato manage. Why and how, in which manner are you expecting to see the finance ministry and the defense ministry working, doing the needed things, if you have given it all on one solo person? You can say incompetence here. Your foresight, team. Your technical know-how, how you are able to predict what would happen, and how you're able to know how you should manage some particular aspect. Aden, Jomaha, dear Nagana mind dear yewu. I need to try asusa. Sans and semi see a name no. Ne kofa ba ye because there is nobody who is actually taking command of the Ghana Armed Forces. Before this Aban came into power. And Ghana, winner take on Tino. Because John Mahama and his crew think those men are MPP people, so they don't need them. And any assessor sound was here at the defense ministry. The army. And the sound was for no more inexperienced people, no, and they manage distance. And look at the tragedy that they have brought on our neck. The tragedy about to ensue. Any pension one quandentia. There were no enough management men, conscious man, nipa adwene wo mutim, zigi memo akwaba. So mbetumi atranse de adwen kese a manage the flow of the people. Now mbetumi wo se da bi ehun hia se wo se ye man krofo no nyina emra kra. Ye mo munye in the various region level. Ye mo munye in the various district level. Yamomonyen in the various balance military bases a war or minum yen chichem na manfo nko. Lack of knowledge made my people perish. Adia ayosoro tresem no enekaye. Or say lack of knowledge no makes my people perish in nothing. Yetimi abu nipa 21,000 and also omomra stadium. Omomra stadium se omoba be pajuma. Wasisa nkrofo ma 21,000 begu one stadium. You were not able to assist. One to me nyanto to your papa. I'm far manage won. Na shatawale mpa oyenyon to nimpo sabio. The all you are say, yes, a man for who na man for sana, a man for tentium, ne binomo monse, binomo shishi, and Okurano. Shatawale Kurano with his own management, you know, they were able to manage people. I know more than that 21,000. But what happened? Say a soldier for moi, moon to me handle nipa 21,000. Just admit and say yes. You were not supposed to bring them there. That is the first problem I'm creating. But senkamoti the omo abasemo betwe video ni photos. E de kogu media musemo afa manfo adwuma just to, pumping her. But the papa mo ho se mo ye nipa, mo ye nkrofo aban bia, mo dwene Ghana for ho. At least try to manage them well. And so kura mo ntumi anye. Na eya, you know why? because I've me matrase afar concerning this new administration, some kind of methodology be a Mahama a use to capture the sympathy of the people. Mahama fast ro kwan bi so said the bear Ghana for bekisa kwa wedo ye nipa o ye nipa pa o ye say yo bebra ni nyina no eye azan manner of governance. And now me no ka say Ghana fo hiem so mo kokodun so a Mahama gina ho bi. Ghana fo hiem so omo kwa akone oka ho bi. Ghana fo hia so omo ko shikakra Mahama timi kopi ho bi. Adie bi ebeye no oman no mu enne bia no papa no kopie ho adentia okoho no wakwa konya the sympathy of the people enti amanfo ne boni dimpa no na odi ne bone ene na djuma bone na oye na underground. Mahama transe hu se ne nwa Ibrahim Mahama, people actually don't talk about him. Obi amoni din when no papa in saka the mining wine site. What is obi kana ho asem? Obi an kana ho asem adentia. Ibrahim Mahama akwese ofum niema na ewo man no majapade na ofum, but ye kese obi ne ho akere ne sesia no di America. No di ne akotwa mu ho na akọ support. Wa wie billion so, but no ko ibe 1,000 bi. Na enipa papa odo ye good o, papa odo ye good o. Enti Mahama transia mu se emfa ho ni adwumabone emfa ho ni awudie ne krono a wobo ewo manum. O say Ghana for there wo just go with them na sha say make some mimics, sha say na make some comedies, sha say na oni omonsere, sha say na twatori kire won. They will all fall in love with you. And so what study Mahama pa? So what study Mahama pa? Adie bi ebeko so wo man mu enne bia no papa ni gira ho bi. Okoho okodu ho so a na wa sha ase na oye comedy. But the real issues na e wo from no nka ho asem. And na me no ka say health insurance agiagum. And na me no ka say free SHS agiagum. And now me no ka say John Mahama so beto adwumayefo adwuma obeto adwumayefo omakatua 9% no de kan ho, but nanado 22% no na Mahama tenchen ka. But you see Ghana fo nka ho hwe omo ani. And now me no ka say galamse no afenese ese oman no, but obia nka ho hwe because Mahama knows how to make it look as say he is fighting Galamsey. Now, while Suyansu who kwan obefa so a obema Ghana for feel say he is part of the society. Enti babia no gyina ho. Or use the same tactics Niwia Ibrahim Mahama use no Ghana maimo. Canada Japan e babo ntebe ka kire say papa no invade taxes. Or invade taxes and move through millions of dollars. But to be an canasem adentia or tisi obi ni ti atwa papa bebo modern edna ko Dubai ako so treno asiso. With just a pin. Not that capture the mindset to say Ibrahim Mahama is a good person. That is the same thing that Mahama is doing. Mahama nkurofo di nkwase asem na omosoma amanfo ade hye 21,000 so omonko enkopa adwuma omuwu ye no. Mahama di America ko ho fadi so usu kwa achi di America ko ho kwa damage control just to create sympathy with the people. Now ya say people are not actually can say observing with the critical eye. And then enkrofona o se nko nkasa no bebre no ya satisfy one bebre no ya boska go omo bottom bebre no ye de omo ato adwuma no bebre no ya ye omo CEOs ena bebre so akwakoje omo ena asede e wo sumase. Professor Jampa no criticize everything ena wo he wayira. I can mention many and many radio presenters. Nana Jan Twanom. They said MPP internal elections and Omoka. But before no, they were saying they were part of the Ghanaian society and they were supposed to speak what they call a truth to power. Face the country forward and Galam say Gusu Koso Adentia. They have now silent every mouth na a baby atwam open and cancer. And omudin some phone. And now the NDC is using the media to cover any damage that they caused. And kwasiade ankrofo ye biano now they know how to solve it. Just involve the media, come and lie to the people, and the people will not question you. Renano, the aluplane crash, look at the kind of update papa with the brain. Usanfre say the lane man. Ghana for Jimmy for military man or better now no. The layman, let me explain to the layman. Oh yare. Ejabusan for the CNA ewo babiani ekwakoji ekopa soja for no. Me say I was say yem punish obi wo home. The military man now are you responsible for this recruitment, you know. The NDC government led by John Mahama, if actually he wants to show say he is committed to serve Ghanaians, I will say the man in charge of this recruitment, I will say Yanchin because we are man for everyone one this year in a very, very, very unlawful and unlikely way. Sadi we see press conference be no bit me justify no. Sadi we see there is no damage control from Feriso Usuku achi bit to me ayeden I justify. Sadi we see no. Soja ni panyina oye involved oye in charge of this recruitment no. He must to be arrested and jailed. The entire first of all, offer Nkrofono free different far place to come to Accra. Odifo ho. Second, the entire names so when to me maintain any pana from so baba yomo or before Bosojan because to be a military man it means you must to be disciplined. And so be Bosoja now when you discipline there, then how do you list their names down? So you want to interview them. And that soldier man, that senior man needs to face the law as a Pan American. Soldier ni panyin no, I was some face law no. Because now listen, I want you to listen to this video and you feel very sad. And they are giving advices to NDC leadership say dear be encourage dear na papa mpainfo amanyina druse mu ye. Why? Very simple manner. Very, very simple. But Mahama nim say ono de obetumi aye de opebia. Important is rush to the place where the things has happened and let people get sympathy for you. Akufo Addo breso and ankura we wu ya. Enka for 80 months. Akufo Addo nya ni ti ni dim. Now, yentie what actually happened at the priest. We are na yasen abawuram. To tell you some things, I feel say very sad.
But I don't trust them. These people, anything can happen. Because when we went our home, they told us that it's only 2 days. But now they are saying today, tomorrow, Friday, Saturday, 4 days. So they lied to us, telling us it's only 2 days. So if you didn't come to the anchor, we wouldn't even know that maybe they'll do it till Saturday. Before everything will start, when I was there, I was in the middle of like you can't even move. When I was there, like I thought even my hand was dislocated. When I was inside, I was like, watching me see. I thought my hand was dislocated. So when I got a chance to get out and I saw people dying, people were on the floor. Like they were stepping on them. You see, they were in front, so they fell down. Like they were falling on them. So they were coming from the back like this. They were forcing themselves inside. So when I went inside, I saw people dying and stuff.
Actually, I'm talking from Tema, and I don't think I'm here to give out problems. I'm here to give out some solutions to the Ghanaian forces. And I want to call out on our big men in our country, our Chief of Staff, Honorable Julius Debra, and the Chief of Air Force Staff, the Vice Marshal Frederick Asari-Bekui. I just want to notice them, not a pose of threat, but I want to understand that when they are aware something like this will be going on, so even instead of bringing such chaotic moments like this, leaving such miserable memories, I just want to bring out something that within the Accra Metropolitan, I don't think Elwak should have been the only sports stadium we should have visited. In Accra we have the Elwak Sports Stadium, the Accra Sports Stadium, the Tema Sports Stadium, and even now we have some mini stadiums in every society. So I think for a better way to solve this problem of this suspension and this whatever postponement, all is not necessary. They should just bring out something like, with the army, they should check the quantity, the number of people coming for the army. Then army people should come to Elwak, the Navy people should go to Tema Sports Stadium, something like the Air Force should go to the Accra Sports Stadium. Something very simple like that, and I don't think we are going to experience these chaotic moments again. So there's all I want to tell. And I seriously want this video to get to our chief of staff, Julius Debra, Honorable. I want this video to get to, so that next time with things like this, I don't think recruitment should be done this way. They have been working for almost 4 to 5 years now, since Ghana Force was established in 1959, working almost for about 66 years now. I don't think this exercise should have been something difficult, because every year you learn something. In everything you do, you gain experience. You learn something new. So they need to just every day bring out different implements. I think technology should be improved in our country very well. This thing, we need them to come here. No. You can just be in the house and just.
It's. I mean, the problem comes in 2 sections. The organization of the program was not up to it. Brother, could you believe they gave us 6:30? People were here as early as 3 a.m. But when we came, the main gate was not open. Supposing we came and it was open, everybody would have entered peacefully, and there will not be any that chaotic thing that happened here. You see, so supposing the gate was open, we would have entered, and they came. That 6:30 they gave us, it was past 6:30. The gate wasn't open. Almost 7 to 8 o'clock, the gate wasn't open. I think 8 o'clock that they opened the gate and we entered. We entered to the queue there. Brother, they should have, organized it in badges, Army, Navy, and Air Force. It would have helped. You see, so it was very bad experience. And the next time they do, they should either, they said they'll till further notice. So we don't know when we'll be coming back, but they should do it in badges. First Army, the second Navy, and Air Force.
What happened in the morning as we came at the dawn around 2:30 to 3, but as the population that we came with is too huge, and as you can see, even some people just came around the wall. So they came the wall, and the population in fact it has choked. And in fact, what is too bad, it's too bad. And the other things was sometimes the mistake are from we the applicants, because whenever the instructor tell us to do something, we will not obey. If they ask us to go back, we are not moving forward. If they ask you to form a line, we didn't obey their instructions. So some problems to are for we the applicants.
When I walk Hokrana who said the military organized very, very bad. And in fact, it is very sad, say a soldier for pa into me and manage a crew or mobas they want to be recruited into the army. How and why? And how you can't? And how you were not able to? And why you did not manage them? Because Mwabase, they want to be employed into the military, and they know say to be part of the army you must to be somebody disciplined. But when you have incompetent people leading you, you see onifreni nantia ye pamenem. That is exactly what happened there. Now your papa bi wo ho, ye say friend John Dariga Dramani Mahama. He don't want to never and ever. He don't never and ever wants to be a responsible man. And you know the oil is a brebiano. He tried to find somebody to blame. And for Emma Wu and mo mismanagement ya mo showcase ne. Ama for no. Mahama is still there complaining say and this for na MPP for na nyo munyuma ye. Could you imagine? Unim say me boa. Listen.
Soja anase yefa police ana bibia we say me aye no kokom won te hwe obehwa na yeyi nipa say omonko for training enti abra ye bontoa ansa ne ebeto 2024 abatwo no me shebo say seba akoba say yefa soja na police ye de betudwa na region bia yama yamabuna kwenya na omoso omwetimi abepre
flash entity ni ye pa tie John Mahama you build ni montro di papa and I don't know if the chief na not hono na oteho listen to Mahama like akwa me nkobo na suma na. I think you heard what Mahama said. He said Enkrofona due to mismanagement, yes, saw Munina could go far nipa 21,000. It could go far nam so ama overflow that chiwana will be a mumbia wuno. Mahama is back, say, or not dear. Now, opposite on your recruitment, a year transparent and inti of fra man for so Munina Manakra. Nagana Funina who. Say ye for soldier for. Na the oye no a ye way a 18 money involved say region bia ebe to me anya akwanya abeye sojani. Na me be ma wo hweme. Would I not showing say in the previous administration no recruitment of soldiers ebaye ema ye mebo say video natural. Asema kom pese me misane say sa asema Mahama kan if actually what was his aim na enye easy say obeye recruitment no region by region nye no mpo na nke betumi ama akwanya ama region bia region mu babunu bia region bia mu babunu aye part of it ana senka enye ntro ene nkontompo na Mahama etwa na enye se bio damage control na papa we person me ye mfa nkyere Ghana fo a na enye easy se bia nka ebono hafofo ebe ye omo recruitment specifically for Bono region Asante Maimu Asante region Northern region for so be ye omo there exclusively for only people from that area na mpo nka ebe mo omo slot. But Mahama always want to dry. And he's a leader who don't want to take responsibility for anything. But they can't tell him, say, when you see, because the defense ministry, no. I don't know that soldier for no. Any papa be ni ho, atu force na, or your finance minister, or no answer and son manage the defense ministry. And a san for two, Timu say, a bang way back kunyamono. A soldier 1.4 more or mukita grade or more experience, no. NDC abanya pam omu nyina kogu fie se omu nya NDC fo nti ontime ne omu nya adwuma enti anam saaso nti no nkrofo no omu ho ende no they are incompetent like Mahama and omu gu ho as a military man omu no omu ye head of department na asefo enti asem we ya asi no Mahama should have take responsibility say me incompetence any winner take all policy amede ba ya me pam soldier for mo wonim de efiri military no mu no na ama we yasi na mom no enye se mo ba ya na mo pese mo nya de obi abehu. Why should we have to lie like that? And after all, MPP are buying abreso ye recruitment, but only say the MPP have the men, as we always say. Enti edru recruitment no yankese omu nyina mbra mesan lie ewa kra na mbom no ye divide ye to avoid any kind of tragedy of this type happen here any pension we. But John Mahama is a liar, a thief, and always a deceiver, trickish man. Enti omudi boni kurana, they always want to shift the brain on someone else. And remember, any leader who don't take responsibility is a coward leader. Leader be a sembesi wane bremu. Na on to me ma bontin meteki. And take responsibility of what happened. Now mo be finding a way to blame someone. No, that man is a coward and he's a someone that he don't need to be a leader. Not talking about presidency. And how can Mahama come out and tell us, say, MPP for now we wanted to do it openly, and we see it. Because say me video in 2024, what actually happened during the MPP time? The enam sunti amanfo anwu na osohwebi yenko.
In May this year, the Daily Graphic published an announcement from the Ghana Armed Forces of the commencement of a recruitment exercise. From as early as 4 a.m., some young Ghanaians from across the country besieged the Elwak Stadium and joined a queue which went as far as the cantonment post office. Those gathered at the venue were expected to submit their credentials for documentation and medical screening. Those who made it inside the stadium were seen sitting on the ground in groups as they waited to go through the process. The applicants, made up of mostly unemployed young people, say the first stage has been stressful.
Some people, when we came, we heard that some people even came here around 3 a.m. and that or further.
I'm from Kumasi.
Are they not having any recruitment in Kumasi?
They're having it there, but I decided to do it here.
Why?
So, we're 2024 assembly recruitment time no. So the 2021. MPP abanya breso recruitment na edru ye no yankese omu nyina nkwa akra and it was announced also. It's not like how Mahama wanted to describe say a MPP for omu fasoja for omu fan wo suma sinti yehu obi anti enti efra manfo so omu nkwa akra. This happened because of incompetency, and for this reason someone must to respond to this. The person must to be here in court, and if possible, jail him for causing death of young Ghanaians. Because you cannot kill people and come out and defend your incompetency by saying, say, "Abayi bi na oye ne nemo ye no sumase." Who born dog? Ti abaya wo yo ti hoi. Ose ofri Kumasi. But he came to Accra because he wanted to come to Accra. Now, Kumasi Mpono, there is a recruitment going on. Who did your video?
Because Accra is where the soldier arrangement is. So when you do it in Accra, it's better than you do it in Kumasi.
And this utia, mami we, and yes, Kumasi na enye recruitment ho. On one pen ba Accra because he feels so ba Accra. Be more efficient. Enti anka as a man, president of the Republic, uncrofo ni omubu mai, Omodi nkwasi asema nti sa amanfo ahwere won this year. Why shouldn't you come out with a different narrative, a different story, a different manner of talking to the people? Nkebetumi aye more what them call with more senses, like than to come and lie in front of camera. Abro onim say when I the sitting president. Adi we yanim gwase. This thing should not happen again. Mahama should apologize to Ghanaians for lying to Ghanaians. Would it assume Mahama can ebiem teni biem?
Asi efa soldier anase efa police ana bibia. We hu say me aye no kokom. Wonte hwe obehwa na yeyi nipa say omonko for training. Enti abra ye bontoa ansa ne ebeto 2024 abatwo no. Me share boss se ba akoba se ye fa soldier na police ye de betudwa na region bia yama ye mabuna kwenya na omoso omwetimi abepre.
Flashback. In May this year, the Daily Graphic published an announcement from the Ghana Armed Forces of the commencement of a recruitment exercise. From as early as 4 a.m., some young Ghanaians from across the country besieged the Elwak Stadium and joined a queue which went as far as the cantonment post office. Those gathered at the venue were expected to submit their credentials for documentation and medical screening. Those who made it inside the stadium were seen sitting on the ground in groups as they waited to go through the process. The applicants, made up of mostly unemployed young people, say the first stage has been stressful.
Some people, when we came, we heard that some people even came here around 3 a.m. and that or further.
I'm from Kumasi.
Are they not having any recruitment in Kumasi?
They're having it there, but I decided to do it here.
Why?
Because Accra is where the soldier arrangement is. So when you do it in Accra, it's better than you do it in Kumasi.
Yes, and Mahama has lied once again. You say it is part of his character. Now, young Konkotie actually the report any DC Yankasa Nipadodua Omoho Akem. Now you see, now make say there is no report or there is no press release or there is no press conference able to justify the incompetency of these people. Say for the so kwa share na jone say nipa na omo nye 12 omo ye 6 enti na nye problem. Now listen to him.
She's going to address you on the details of the casualties in order to set the record straight. Yes. So please go ahead. Yes. Introduce yourself.
Very good morning to you all. I'm the commander of the 37 Military Hospital, Brigadier General Evelyn Vivian Abraham Pabia. I need to just get something straight. There's an erroneous information going out. The casualties we have that came through were 28 in number. Those who are dead are 6 and not 12. Those who are critical and in ICU are 5. We have 12 who are fairly critical. The rest are stable. Thank you.
Ferris ofusu kwa chise ferris no eshada na nteba ho se obeye damage control. Which type of damage control is this? Say nipa wu, nipa nsien wu. Na washada nanti about because akwawe and throw. He's always dealing with the media to camouflage any fucking thing about webeye. Into about wanti so be defending our buying. Say nipa wu nsien edu mienu. But does that take away say amamfo wu because of your negligence? Listen to this video again. Listen.
She's going to address you on the details of the casualties in order to set the record straight. Yes. So please go ahead. Yes. Introduce yourself.
Very good morning to you all. I'm the commander of the 37 Military Hospital, Brigadier General Evelyn Vivian Abraham Pabia. I need to just get something straight. There's an erroneous information going out. The casualties we have that came through were 28 in number. Those who are dead are 6 and not 12. Those who are critical and in ICU are 5. We have 12 who are fairly critical. The rest are stable. Thank you.
I don't know what does Ferisusu Kwachi want to celebrate because some na American and Yareho. Enipa omo ehon eka mu among the 21,000 no nipa 28. Osi emu 6 ewu. Emu 5 ewo intensive care unit. Just omuntumi home nye bibia. Enipa 12 enso no ewo in a very critical condition. Enankafo na aka ne de they will be healthy. But for the Susu Kwachi went there like nothing has happened. Ain't no oko. No one may say, I just said it is a shame. The NDC should bow down their heads in shame of this. Now I may catch it also say, and now Menoka say because Mahama want to get the sympathy of the people. Adiebia no di America koho. Amanfo ekodun sa okoho. Amanfo ekuja omonanya obonkoho. Sebi onkrofo hia so omokoshi wi kura Mahama koho bi ekohewo. Now look, assembly see Mahama rushed to the hospital. Watch this.
Just arrived at the 37 military hospital. The president with a large entourage, including the acting defense minister, Kìll Atufosen. I've also seen the chief of staff arriving here. So as the president is in your shots now, exchanging pleasantries with some of the ministers here. The acting defense minister, Kìll Atufosen, is here. The minister in charge of government communication, all of them are here, even including the deputy defense minister, are all here this afternoon because of this particular tragic incident. We're told that the president is here to get first-hand information in relation to this tragic incident which happened earlier today, where some 6 persons who were seeking to be enlisted into the Ghana Armed Forces unfortunately passed when they tried to get into the El Wak Sports Stadium. The president is here with a large entourage this very afternoon. He's currently having a conversation with the officers here. I'm sure after taking or getting that briefing, that would inform the president what to do next. But the situation this morning was very tense because, and even what we're picking up is that some of these applicants tried to scale the wall into the premises of the sports stadium, which unfortunately led to this very tragic development.
Yes, enti Mahama they say BBSC no de America ko no akọ wo hye ne ho. You have been negligent. You have been incompetent. You make people die, and what you do is run there and go and shave yourself just to show say you came to see them. A man from person mumabewu nyese ma omomanwu ansana wakọ akọchia wo. What are they going to do with it, with your visit? Enkrofona alusu omoma. That is what's the issue on the board. And Mahama was supposed to take responsibility by saying, say, the people who do the job did not work well. Now, let's think very carefully. NDC MPB or parliament, it say, a one AC, and you be fought. Now, sang nipano mu, say, a kofa, Donald Trump crab at now, say, meye. Ome maintain kam kura oha nkasa de atie bia no enkasa nkrofo no omobewu asem ne ya rehopa. Listen to this woman. Listen.
To go for recruitment only for us to lose them. But I want us to all take solace in the Almighty Allah. There is nothing that happens that doesn't happen at the right time. This is what the Almighty Allah has ordained for them. Today is their day. No matter how, no matter what, no matter who was there, as what, even if we brought all the presidents of the world to sit there as ministers, or whatsoever, once today is ordained for them to die, they will. And this is what has happened. Unless you don't believe in the oneness of God, unless you don't believe in the oneness of the Almighty Allah, it is not anybody who wanted them to die. There is no single officer there who wanted even one single soul to pass. Not even one person hoped and prayed that one person would die there. Let us understand that. If that were the wish of anybody, I haven't seen or thought of that person. Mr. Speaker, I appreciate what you have said. Let us work together.
And the Sauti Asama Mami kan ya osi nipa na omo awu no Jesu kura no nka ontimi nje omo nkwa because eno ena Nyankopon ahwehwe de ama se ne na omo bewu abusua eya reho say a member of parliament etimi gina nipa doma nim on TV so e kan kwase asema sabio akwada keto akura enka e wona brabo. What you say, Mammy? Kaye. Said Yesu kura ne ba ya nka nipa omo awu no komu nyankwa because no na Nyankopon eye won hyebra Nyankopon de ma won na ya reho eye ya say nipa dasani a onye nipa kwa osanso ye member of parliament mi bie na no e ka asema ente se abusianfo medemo ebesi ha Unya en subscribe ya maso subscribe na fa nsasi adoma no so be ya